natin yung pangalanan po natin yung gagawin natin yung window. Next, dito naman po pwede po tayo mamili kung gaano karaming RAM o ilang CPU pwede natin gamitin sa virtual box na gagawin natin sa window na papaganahin natin gamit virtual box. Dito po kung gaano pwede po tayo malaman kung gaano kalaki yung size, kung ilang size yung gagamitin. So now gagamit po tayo 20 gig muna. Next, sa settings, click po natin yung settings, go po sa storage. May makikita po tayo dito mga pagpipilian po. I-click po natin dito yung empty po, yan. Then choose disk file, tapos click po natin yung download natin kanina windows.iso, then start na po, and wait po natin gumana or virtual box, and wait po natin. After po mag-itay may lalabas po dito ng Windows setup, and click lang natin as default. Next lang po natin, install now, and wait ulit po. Lalabas po dito ulit na choice. Click lang po natin doon active, and click po natin dito yung Windows 10 Pro, and next po. Natin accept. Next, click ulit po natin next. After po nito may piliin ulit po dito, and for personal use click po natin set up for personal use, click natin next, wait ulit just a moment, click muna natin offline account, click po natin limited experience po muna for the sake of the video. Yep po. Tagay po natin yung pangalan ko kasi tayo po gagamit ng PC. Hindi po natin next. Kailangan po mag-type tayo ng maalala natin password po. Confirm lang po ulit natin, lagay natin password. For recovery po, in case na makalimutan natin password, ulit lang po tayo na pipiliin natin dito. Gusto natin recover. Example lang po, for the sake of the video po, ito po yung mga example lang pang recovery po natin in case nga po na makalimutan natin yung password na window. Wait lang po ulit natin. Click po natin dito yung accept po muna natin na yan po. Click natin, pwede po natin i-customize yung window natin. Pwede natin yung mga gusto natin, creativity, gaming, entertainment, school, ano pa ba, family na rin po, lahat na po. Accept. Lahat na po muna natin for as a guide. After po ng napakatagal na paghihintay po, ito na po, meron na po tayong installed na OS sa ibang OS. Pwede po natin gawin yung mga pwede natin gawin sa window na hindi natin masisira yung pinaka main natin, main device natin. What this hindi kasi magagalaw.
So let us enter the name of our virtual machine as well as choose our type of OS and version. After that, we will click next. Then we will choose the hardware, the processors, and the memory. Then afterwards we will choose the hard disk, and then after we will finish, we will adjust the settings. The processor, we can adjust the processor, and then we will go to the storage and click the disk icon. We will put the downloaded file Ubuntu. Click OK and start the virtual machine. Now we will click the try or install Ubuntu. we will choose the try or install Ubuntu. Just click that. Then let's wait for a few minutes. Now Ubuntu is starting. Wait for it to load. Let us wait for it. Okay. So now here is Ubuntu, but it is not finished yet. There are still some processes we will be doing. Let's wait for a few minutes. As you can see, there is the date and some options such are icons such as volume, battery percentage, calendar. So now here is the installation setup. Click install Ubuntu. We will install Ubuntu. Let us click that, and we will be using the English language. Okay, so keyboard layout, we will use English US. So below there is a type here to test your keyboard. We will be trying it out, inputting some words to test if the keyboard is correct or the keyboard is matches our hardware or the format and layout of our keyboard. So as you can see, we have inputted our name. Now we will next, and we will choose the normal installation. Click continue. And then we will choose the erase disk and install Ubuntu. Click install now. Continue. Let's wait for a few seconds or minutes. So we will be choosing the location and then input some details about us. So I will name it Miko Kasama, and it automatically chooses or inputs the computer name and the username. And our password, Kasama 12345, Kasama 123. I think 12345 is longer. And then we will click the login automatically. Let us continue. After that, we will wait for a few minutes or a few seconds, a few moments before our Ubuntu OS is complete. So there is still some copying files, downloading, installing. We will wait for a few minutes, but I will be skipping it because it really takes a few moments before it finishes. As you can see, it says welcome Ubuntu. Help and support, such as that. As you can see there, there is a jellyfish. So now it's almost done. Let's wait for a few more minutes. Checking for packages, installing system. Okay, now the installation is complete. We will restart our virtual machine or our virtual computer so that the installation packages will be set up nicely. Okay, here is our Ubuntu finally done, completed. So you can see, show applications. There are some icons, activities on the side, left side, such as the Mozilla Firefox and etc. So there are some applications already in here. As you can see, we have downloaded our Ubuntu correctly and it is working. So that is how we install and set up Ubuntu OS or operating system in our virtual machine. So let us skip all of this. Next, go, done. We are ready to go. That is how we install it. And then we will be shutting down our Ubuntu. Just click power off or log out. Let's go power off, and that is it. That is how we use Ubuntu.